Now is okay, dude. It's on right now. It's on right now.
Okay, based on our lesson this week, we're going to sing this tried and true classic, and we're going to try to get through it. And no matter what happens, we're going to get through it, right, guys? Yes. Yeah. Okay. Okay, ready, Dan? With Jesus in the boat, we can smile at the storm, smile at the storm, smile at the storm. With Jesus in the boat, we can smile at the storm when we're sailing home. Sailing, sailing home, sailing, sailing home. With Jesus in the boat, you can smile at the storm when you're sailing home. And two more. With Jesus in the boat, you can smile at the storm, smile at the storm, smile at the storm. With Jesus in the boat, you can smile at the storm. Sailing, sailing home, sailing, sailing home. With Jesus in the boat, you can smile at the storm when you're sailing home. And two more. With Jesus in the boat, you can smile at the smile at the with Jesus in the boat, you can smile at the when you're sailing home. Sailing, sailing home, sailing, sailing home. With Jesus in the boat, you can smile at the when you're sailing home. No words, just motion. With in the you can at the with in the you can at the when you're sailing home.
Let's see, how lucky you got. You got